Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for fashion and clothing business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, start for free. So get started, so you can sign up for free. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. And here you're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page. Okay, so here where you're gonna design your website. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for the fashion, I'm gonna choose the apparel. Okay, um, I'm gonna choose one of these sections here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna use this template, so you can use whatever you like for the fashion and the clothing business. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to change the header and the menu. Go and change your site name, type your site name. uh, you can manage the navigation menu here, the about section, store and delivery, and the contact. Here the design you have to create, you have to make you try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your website or your homepage. So do whatever you like, just make sure your site is attractive to anyone. So don't forget the simple details like the font, uh, okay, like the font, like the size, like the color, and you can also add the frame outline to make it more attractive. Okay, let's go back now. Let's move on to the next, the cover and the headline. Here you have to add the tagline, your title, an attractive description that's matched with the title. Okay, and if you want to change the image, you can just uh, go to the browser and select one of the image on the browser or from your library. Okay, for example, you can type here, welcome to introduce your business, welcome to our business, to our site for fashion and clothing, just like this. Simple description and a short description. And in the design here you have to choose your favorite one. Just make sure it's matched with your business and with the color, and that's it. That's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. You have to add the title and the subtitle, and here the description. You can talk about your product or your business, and or your story, your typography, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. The design here, you have to choose your favorite one. Okay, just the same thing as normal, the description and the same thing. So let's go back and let's move on now to the next section. The same thing here, add the tagline, the title, and the description. You can change the image here if you want. If the image matches with your business, you can just keep it. The design here, you have to choose your favorite one, layout. Okay, Now let's go back to the customer reviews, the next section. The same thing here. You can add a review if you want. Just you can add the review text and the author name and the design. You can choose your favorite one here, and that's it. Don't forget the background and the review text. Okay, let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. So as you see here, click new product, and here you have to add the product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and customize the prices options and the description of your product. So that's it. Now if you're done from here, go back to the editor and complete the design of your store section, the background and the title, the product name. Just make sure you know what you are doing, like for the design for the product name. It should be anything here match with the title and the background to be attractive to anyone. So that's it. Let's go back, let's move on to the next, our benefits section. So the same thing, you can add the selling point here, the title, you can change the icon. Okay, the design, you can choose your favorite one. Okay, and don't forget to design the selling point icon, the selling point title. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next, the image and the tagline. The same thing here, add the tagline and add your favorite title and description and attractive description. And if you want to change the image, just from the browser or from your library. Now let's move on to the next section, the delivery information. The same thing as normal, title and subtitle and the description. If this description match with your business, you can just keep it like this. You can edit it a little bit or keep it just like this if you like it. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite one. Layout, the background, okay, I'm gonna change the background color just like this. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next, to the contacts. The same thing here, the description, the title and the image. Here you have to add the subheading, for example. You have to enter here your business address. You can also enter your exact postal address or the plus code. Here you have to add the daily hours, the contact information, your phone and your email, the social profiles, your account of Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter. That's it. If you want to delete some section, just click here and it will be deleted, and I think it will be deleted. And here in the design, it's better to choose this layout of the map. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the last section here. So here you have to enter your company name, okay, for the copyright, and don't forget to design the same thing here, the footer in the background, the copyright, the links. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, so if you're done from designing your website, just publish your website and it will be published. Now we can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.